The BBA program at IILM University is an internationally benchmarked program that offers a diverse range of specializations such as artificial intelligence, business analytics, international business and strategy, and many more. The curriculum also focuses on experiential learning through various industry visits, guest speaker talks, out-of-class learning activities, and many more. In the past, students have done internships with companies such as KPMG, EY, CupShup, and NGOs such as YUVA, Muskaan Foundation, and CRI.
Welcome to IILM, where academia meets industry and innovation knows no bounds. We bridge the gap between learning and doing, theory and practice. Our network of industry partners spans the globe, providing our graduates with unmatched opportunities of career growth. IILM, where academic excellence meets industry relevance. Join us in shaping the future today.